Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we made these cheesy chicken empanadas with Mexican beans and corn. Today's video is also part of a group collaboration hosted by Leanne from Leanne's Life. I'll have her channel linked down below, as well as a playlist where you can find all kinds of other taco night recipes. So we started out with our homemade pizza dough, and I'll have the recipe for this dough in the description box down below. Then, starting on our beans, we're going to mix together our seasonings in a small bowl. We have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of dried cilantro. And in our saucepan, we have 1/4 cup of butter and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of adobo sauce from a can of chipotle peppers. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce along with 1/4 cup of water. And 1 teaspoon of sriracha. We're going to bring this up to a simmer and add in 1 can of pinto beans, our spice mixture, and 1 can of corn, or the equivalent amount of frozen corn. Now we're just going to let this simmer with the lid on while we work on our empanadas. To our dough, we added some parsley, garlic, and basil for some extra flavor. And now we're just going to roll it out and cut it into rectangles. You can use a pizza cutter to make this easier, but we're just using the back of a knife so we don't hurt our countertop. For the filling, we're using this Mexican hot style tomato sauce, and we're just going to mix that in with 2 cooked shredded chicken breasts along with some salt and pepper. We're also using some shredded Mexican blend cheese mixed with some mozzarella. We preheated our air fryer to 350 for about 10 minutes while we made the empanadas. We filled each piece of dough with the shredded chicken and shredded cheese. Then we just folded them over and sealed them with a fork. Then we brushed them with an egg wash to get an even more golden brown color. And we put these in the air fryer at 350 for 10 minutes. These turned out perfectly golden and delicious, and the whole family loved them. The boys cleaned their plates. The beans and corn were also amazing. They would also be really good in tacos or as a nacho topper. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out Leanne's channel and the playlist in my description box down below. We would also love for you to join our YouTube family, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you guys next time.